Ever struggled to connect your Lightning headphones to a laptop or PC with only USB A ports? What if you could enjoy flawless audio, hands-free control, and crystal-clear calls without any annoying pop-ups or compatibility headaches? The UGREEN USB A to Lightning adapter offers exactly that, a smooth, reliable bridge between your Apple Lightning headphones and virtually any computer. I've been there, wanting to use my Lightning earphones on my Windows laptop but hitting a wall with compatibility. That's when I tried the UGREEN adapter. Right out of the box, it worked perfectly, no error messages, no fiddling with settings. Thanks to its MFI certification and Apple original chip, the connection felt native. Calls came through crisp and clear, music sounded rich and vibrant, and the inline controls, pausing, skipping tracks, adjusting volume, worked just like on my iPhone. Plus, the nylon braided cable and aluminum casing give it a tough, premium feel. After weeks of daily use, it's still holding up strong with zero signal drops or wear. This adapter isn't just about convenience, it's about what you get in real life. Faster USB 3. Zero transmission means clearer calls and seamless audio streaming. Its broad compatibility covers MacBook Pro and Air, Windows 10 PCs, Linux, Ubuntu, and more, so you won't be stuck hunting for different cables. And with over 10,000 bend and insertion tests, durability is guaranteed. If you're looking to connect your Lightning headphones to USB A devices without compromise, this adapter is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your audio experience. No fuss, just pure sound and control.